My name is Stefan, and I'm the General Manager at Imperial Roofs and Aluminum. We have been using IKO products since I became the General Manager here at Imperial Roofs and Aluminum since 1998, and we've had nothing but really good experiences. The majority of the homes that we work on are re-roofs, where the customer has called us to get an assessment because they want to have a replacement with a much higher, better quality product. We install Dynasty Shingles on all the houses that we do because we feel that every customer, whether they have a high-end home or a more modest home, deserves to have one of the best shingles available in the industry at this moment. The wind warranty on it is 210 kilometers per hour, and it's a marginal difference in pricing. It's a no-brainer to have this product installed on the roof. When our customer gets the full PROFORMAX roofing system, they get ice and water shield at the bottom of the roof, full synthetic underlayment, then we install the leading edge shingles, obviously then we install the Dynasty Shingles, and a full finishing off of the roofing system with the hip and ridge. We offer all the PROFORMAX accessories on our roofing system that we sell because we want to have all the components that are manufactured from the brand to put the roof back together so that they have a top quality roof moving forward.